Brought to you by Bears.
What's shaped like a cylinder, made of hard plastic, and designed to keep human food secure from wildlife?
Canned food from the 1980s?
No. A bear canister.
Oh, what now?
A bear canister is a hard plastic container designed to keep food and other scented items completely secure from bears, rodents, raccoons, and other wildlife that are powerfully attracted to human food. Wildlife that are attracted to human food pose a threat to their own survival, as well as the health and safety of other visitors in the outdoors. A bear canister allows wildlife and humans to safely and responsibly coexist with one another when in the outdoors. Think of a bear canister as an oversized aspirin bottle that wildlife cannot open.
But I can barely open those when I'm not camping.
Using a bear canister is easy with just a little bit of practice. Step 1. Learn about the specific canister that you're going to use. This type here requires you to put pressure on the sides of the lid. Squeeze and twist. Step 2. Pack your food and other smellable items like trash or deodorant into your bear can. You may need more than one canister depending on the size of your group and the amount of food you're bringing with you. It's also a good idea to remove excess packaging and consider reusable containers so you can reduce would-be litter and make good use of the space inside the bear can. This type of bear canister lets you see where everything is packed so you can easily find things later. Step 3. Put the lid back on and make sure it's nice and secure.
Well, that was easy. Now I can just place it next to my tent and go to sleep.
Not so fast. There's one more important detail for using a bear can effectively. Even though bear cans secure food, they're not smell-proof. So that means that wildlife may still be attracted to what's in a bear can, even though the locked lid will prevent them from getting what's inside. Follow me.
"70 big steps later."
Solution: stash your closed and locked bear can at least 200 feet or 70 big steps away from your campsite and kitchen area. Now you're keeping wildlife and yourself safe. You can learn more about bear canisters and sometimes even rent them from park visitor centers. Check out lnt.org for the most up-to-date information about bear canisters and other ways that you can help respect wildlife when camping outdoors.
Silly bears.